Morning everyone, my name is Dr. Zhao and my match number is A20689 and today I'd like to talk about something that touches all of our lives, yet often goes unnoticed: sleep. The power of sleep is my speech title. How rest transforms your academic success. The sleep. We may not give it much thought, but sleep deeply impacts our health, our mood, and especially relevant to us, our academic performance. Many of us don't take sleep seriously. We stay up late finishing homework, scrolling through social media, playing games, or just catching up with friends. But have we ever stopped to consider what this habit is doing to our bodies and minds? That's exactly why I chose this topic, because understanding sleep isn't just about feeling rest, it's about performing better, feeling better, and living better. Yes, it's about academic impact, mental resilience, daily energy. Most students they sleep only 6 hours or 7 hours per night. That's far less than what experts recommend. Why is that? Between school assignments, tuition class, and late night screen time, sleep often gets pushed aside. We may think it's normal to feel a little tired on time, but over time, this sleep shortage takes a real toll on our learning and well-being. Uh, what science says, how much sleep do teens need? The golden rule for teenagers age 30 to 18, getting 8 to 10 hours of sleep per 24 hours is the official medical recommendation to function optimally. Why teens need more? Mm, Adolescence is a second growth spurt for the brain. You need more sleep than adults because your brain is actively pulling and recognizing nature connection. And this isn't just advice. Decades of research links this speech. Uh, According to a 2021 report from the U.S. National Sleep Foundation, teenagers actually need 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night to stay healthy and function at their best. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a biologic necessity. Our brain and bodies are still developing, and sleep plays a crucial role in that process. Yet, in reality, very few of us actually meet this target. So what happens when we don't get enough sleep? Uh, the sleep gap, yeah. Sleep is essential for memory and learning. Yeah. During sleep, our brain organizes and story when we learning during the day. Without enough rest, this process gets disrupted. We start forgetting things more easily. Our reaction time slows down and concentrating in class becomes much harder. During sleep, your brain doesn't just rest. It's active move information from temporary holding to permanent storage. Like hitting save on a document, sleep transfer new fact from the hippocampus to the neural cortex, making them stable. Uh, Second, sleep and mental health are deeply connected. Lack of sleep affects the part of our brain that regulated emotions. That's why when we are tired, we often feel more irritable, stressed, or anxious. Getting enough sleep helps stabilize our mood and reduce everyday stress. We can see, yes, and the good news is the cognitive cost of too little sleep. After just 2 weeks of sleeping 6 hours a night, your cognitive performance drops to the level of someone who has been awake for 48 hours straight. Sleep deep rapid brain suffer from mandatory lapse in as called macrosleeps, lasting seconds without you even realize it. Unlike acute sleep deprivation, people with chronic sleep loss often don't feel sleepy, even as their performance plummet. We can see real but good news is that by improving our sleep habits, we can see real change. Students who prioritize sleep tend to be more focused, more more energetic, and more productive. A consistent sleep schedule doesn't just boost grades. It supports our physical and mental health in the long run. I sleep. I encourage all of us to reflect on our own sleep routines. Maybe it's time to put down the phone a little yearly, or to plan our homework time more wisely. Let's start treating sleep not as a luxury, but as a foundation for success, both in school and in life.